Hello everyone, this is Nigda and I have Sandeep with me from Finally Electrical Engineering at IIT Tirupati. We are here to give a brief introduction to our mini project, Image Reconstruction using Transformer Network. Let's get into the introduction. Image denoising is to remove noise from a noisy image so as to restore the true image. It separates the noisy image into two components, its signal and the noise. Image denoising can be done through two main approaches, noise to clean and noise to noise. In noise to clean approach to train the model, we use the pair of noisy input and clean target. Whereas in noise to noise, we use a pair of two noisy images having same signal but independently drawn noises. In our mini project, we use noise to clean approach.
For the CentOS model, we'll be using unit architecture. The unit architecture is basically consisting of two main parts, which is the encoding part and the decoding part. The encoding part of the sequence is nothing is moreover the convolution neural network, in which we'll be converting the image dataset into a vector representation by convolving the same image with various kernels and max pooling process. So, and in decoding process, we'll be doing the reverse pathway where we try to extract the image from the vector representation, in which the output we will be expecting is the denoised image as an output. So for training the data set, we will be using the loss function mean square error to this model, as it depends, as our model depends on the difference between the pixel intensities of the predicted and the target images. So coming to the data sets, so our data set will consist of images, a noise-based input, and the target image is a clean image. Since in our data set we currently don't have the noise images, so what we are trying to manually add noise to the images, and we'll be using that as our input part of the data set. So we'll be splitting the data set of 60% of the data for training, 25% for validation, and 15% for testing.
Coming to the timeline, first we collect dataset of images. Next we do data frame processing, which includes dimension reduction and feature extraction. Then we start building model, which includes encoder, that is vector representation of image, and try to extract the same image from vector representation itself, where we try to reduce noise from input. Then we train the model and do performance analysis using validation and test data. Coming to the contribution, I work on processing the data, encoder model, setting up loss function, where Sandeep will be working on noising the image dataset to set input and output vectors, decoder model, and training the model. Finally, we together work on improving the model accuracy and validation results. Thank you.